What's up guys, welcome to my channel Things Unboxing for you. So today we are going to be unboxing Samsung Galaxy M30S. So first let's see the box. Here behind is all the information. Front is the phone's picture, Samsung Galaxy M30S. So let's not waste time and let's unbox it. So I've broken the seal and let's unbox it. Oops. So here are the box contents. So first we have the selected tool to remove the SIM slot. Then inside this we have some user manual and the warranty card. Then here is the phone. This is the white one which I bought. Then here is the charger, and here is the cable, and this cable is type C. So coming back to the phone, so this phone comes with a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. So let me remove the cover. So the front camera is 16 megapixel and behind we have the triple rear camera, which is 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. And here is the fingerprint scanner. It has a water drop style notch with 16 megapixel camera. On the left side we have the SIM tray, and on top we have the microphone. On the side we have the power button and the volume control. And below you have the aux port, the charging port, speaker grill, and you have another mic. So let's power it on. The best thing about this phone is that it comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is really huge. So I have turned it on, and this phone variant is 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and all specifications are given behind. This comes with Exynos 9611 processor, which is really nice. And then let's continue. So I have completed the setup and let's wait for it to come. So behind is made out of completely plastic, and in front it has the Infinity U display. So let's remove the SIM tray. So here it is a dedicated SIM slot for SD card and 2 SIMs. So the phone has booted up. And I've added my fingerprint. So we'll do further tests with this phone in the next video, and the best thing is it comes with a super steady mode in its video recording. The cost of this phone was 14,000 rupees, and I've purchased it from Amazon. If you want to buy it, you can check the description, the link is down there. And this phone is like a really good all-rounder. You have a good camera, and the battery life is the best in this phone. You can use it for multi-purpose and gaming. Compared to the M30 and M20, the M30S gives you a better performance even in gaming, and it's really good. And here is everything that came with it: fast charger, the cable, and that's it. Thanks for watching the video guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button, which is down there. Thank you.